Katie. Today I have recreated a look from Rain On Me music video. This is the Lady Gaga's look. I hope you will enjoy. I already did my base and it's the same as in the Ariana's look, so I'm just going to link it in the eye if you would like to see how I did it. And I'm going to start with the eyes. I'm going to take a tiny bit of black gel liner and I'm going to add it to the roots of the lashes because she didn't have a permanent line for eyeliner, but she did have very nice and thick lash line. I also tried to cover my eyebrows with eyelash glue, but emphasis on tried. You could use Elmer's glue, like children's glue, to cover the eyebrow, or you could also bleach it. I think bleaching would be the better alternative. And right when I get into the inner corner, actually I'm going to switch into a brown pencil. I didn't think she had anything underneath, maybe a light touch of brown eyeshadow, but I think it's just her eyelids making a shadow there, so I'm not going to put anything on the bottom. Now for the actual eyeliner, I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star Liquid Lips again, just like in the Ariana's look. I'm just using a tiny flat brush for now, with very little product. I'm just going to lay it down on the lid first. So she had this color on the lid only, it wasn't going into the crease here. It was just when she opened her eye, you could see slight white here on the eyelid. So this is what I'm going to do. And the reason why I covered my eyebrows is because in the pictures, or in the music video, she had a very straight brow and this white line goes all the way to her hairline almost. So I'm trying to replicate it, but my brows have a quite of an arch and they droop down here, so I wouldn't be able to add the white. I'm just going to add a shape here, and it was very straight out. It wasn't curved or anything, it was quite a thick line. And as I said, it was going quite far out here. Also for the inner corner, I'm going to switch to a very small pencil brush. And she had a corner painted and it was running down a bit here. But it wasn't very far down. So I think it's a bit too much that I put. Just going to wipe it away and try again. It was a very thin line. It wasn't anything dramatic going down. It was just painted around the tear duct. So now I'm just going to go over again with that liquid lips just to intensify everything. I would actually recommend to do the other eye first, just to maybe correct the shape if you need to, if you do it a bit different on the other side. So I'm just going to do that. And just make a little line and keep looking back and forth in the mirror to the first shape you've made, just to make sure that they're the same or as close as possible. So once you have both sides on, you can start correcting the shape and try to get it as close as you can to looking the same. Obviously it will never be exactly the same unless you use a stencil. That's cheating. Now I will grab some white eyeshadow and I will set this on top. You don't have to set it, the liquid lips sets and it won't move, but I just feel like it gives more intensity. I'm also using an angled brush so I can get into all those corners. Now for the eyebrows, I'm using a pomade. I think it will be easier to draw them on. So the eyebrows that she had was quite a straight line, but kind of connecting to this white outline. So I'm gonna try the best I can to replicate that. Also her eyebrow was quite solid, so using a pomade is a very good idea to achieve that look. Now I've covered my eyebrows with eyelash glue, so this might come off. I'm going to go to the other eyebrow and do the same, and then go back and forth to correct the shape. So if you finish one side and then you go to the other side and you make a mistake, or you put a line in a place where you didn't want, and then this side is all nice and pretty, then you're gonna have to either redo completely this side or change this side, which you already liked. So I recommend just adding a little bit and going back and forth to correct the shape. So please don't mind my eyebrow on this side, looks very lumpy and bumpy, but that's because of the glue. If you would bleach your eyebrows, it would look much better, but I didn't have any bleach on hand. Now I'm just going to curl my eyelashes and apply some lashes. She has very wispy, long on the outer corner lashes. I have corner lashes, so I'm going to add that to elongate the corner, and also some individual lashes along the lash line. I'm going to just add a touch of mascara to the roots on the bottom. So when you add the lashes, just remember not to put the outer corner lower than the liner, because it will ruin the effect. It needs to flow together. So I want to stop before I get to the very inner corner, because she had a very nice slope in the eyelashes. So I think I'm just going to put like a lot of mascara here to fill that in. Now I'm going to add some highlight. It's the same as in the other video. It's this Jeffree Star highlight. She did have highlighted nose and Cupid's bow and everything. It was just not as much as Ariana's. Lipstick color was the same also, but due to my brilliant filming skills last time, you didn't get to see anything, so I'm going to recreate it now. In Ariana's look, the Cupid's bow is very straight. This one was very much painted on. Again, it was that brownie nude color, and the lips were shining through a bit. So after the lip liner, I'm just using a gloss. And she also had a tiny rhinestone around here. So I'm just going to take tiny Swarovski crystal with some eyelash glue and add it on. And that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please hit the thumbs up. For more makeup tutorials and first part of this look, which is Ariana's look, please subscribe to my channel. Like Gaga. I tried to be Lady Gaga and I don't look like Lady Gaga. I should never try look like Lady Gaga.